now I have to do a video again because she keeps stopping me from recording.
Hurry up.
Why would I make a video 2 minutes? Or even 3 seconds? I make them like 5 minutes at least. Unless it's a shout out, I'm just saying shout out. Someone right there. Got it. Why? Record me?
Well, walk up there and then he's gonna. Okay.
I'm gonna go up there with you. I gotta get this on tape.
Alright, let's go, bro.
Come on. No, you're going first. You're not the scaredy cat.
I have balls.
Sit right there. Sit right there. Is he freaking sitting there? He ain't sitting here. We'll come back up when I see his head. This fat little nice hairdo. Oh, I see him. Ah, dang it! He got someone else. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. He won't even notice. What, you saw him? Did he start to turn around? Did he turn around? What? Oh, he's Bro, I didn't even get that on video. I scared to death. All right, this time, okay, here, you get him on video.
Here, move.
You're coming with me. You're coming with me. Set the code. Put the code down.
Wait, is it going?
Go, go. You're going in front of me. So kind of sitting up here. Oh, it's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Oh, he's right there. Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God! I don't even think I got him on video that time either. You're the one that has to do it.
Bye bye.
You scared the crap. I hear him. There he is. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Oh God, oh God. Scared the crap out of me. No. No. He was looking at me for a good second. He was like, got him.
I pointed out when he's funny.
He got on the boardwalk. He put his foot on the boardwalk and scared the crap out of me. I see him though. It scares me. Gotcha. He scares the crap out of me. Alright, this time I'm not gonna scream. I'm not gonna scream, but I will run. I see his hair! I'm not gonna go! There's too many people, they're overpowering me! There's too many of them, they're like overpowered! It scared the crap out of me! Like I walked up there one time and just like stepped up. If you guys are wondering why it's so fast, it's because I'm trying to get this killer clown. But technically he's dressed up. He looked at me. He looked at me as soon as I pointed the phone to him. He's gonna jump out. He's gonna jump out.